Hey, where have you been the past few days? We have missed you at school, you know.
Yeah, everybody been asking about you. Who else gonna make jokes in class when you ain't around?
It's complicated. How's everyone at school?
They are good. Madam Goradema fell in class yesterday.
It was
You should
crazy.
have seen it. It was so hilarious.
Oh no, I can't believe I missed such an important event.
B, can you go now? You know, it's time for the girls to talk. Go.
Man, you're not being nice. Why you chasing me? I came to see her. Why you acting like this is your
We
yard?
will come back tomorrow, hey? I have things I need to tell her that you shouldn't hear.
Girl stuff. Okay, fine. I'll go. Y'all two better be back to school on Monday, though.
So, what's the real problem? What is complicated? Share with me.
Girl, you know it. Mother lost her job, and ever since it's been tough. This month, I could not even afford to buy sanitary ware. In these past days, I've been on my cycle. That's why I couldn't make it to school.
I should have known, hey? Well, I'll try and link you up with Girlzaras. It's a group of people volunteering to help girls who have problem getting sanitary pads.
Oh, so they buy and give people for free?
We could volunteer too and help spread their message. Don't you think it's a good idea?
I had no idea. Thank you so much, my friend. I will definitely pay them a visit and hear how their process goes.
Oh, I can't believe that. Is that what they wanted to talk about? Well, I know a lot of guys that are volunteering with Girls R Us, and you can too, whether you're a man or a woman. Check the details on the screen to get in touch.